Hey everybody, Mr. Lawrence here. This is the Piano Adventure Series by Nancy and Randall Faber. And right now I'm going to talk about page 10 and 11 and 12 and 13. Because these pages are talking about the designation on the piano of the black and white keys. Well, there's groups of 2 black keys and there's groups of 3 black keys. Okay? And so these pages want you to use your fingers and play those particular groups. So like in this case, you have your second finger and third finger, and you're going to play up and down the piano the group of 2 black keys, okay? And so all you do is just follow what it says here in the book, and it's not that complicated, okay? So like for instance, if you start in the middle of the piano, just like it says, and you use your second and third fingers, okay, to play each group of black keys. That's going down the keyboard, and then over here on this page you're using your second and third finger in the right hand to play the groups of 2 black keys going up the piano. So it's going to sound sort of like this. Page 10 goes like this. If I start in the middle of the piano and I use my left hand, 2, 3, and then together, so both fingers are going down at the same time. So I'm going to start here in the middle, and then I'm going to go down. 2, 3, together. 2, 3, together. 2, 3, together. Now remember, when I say 2, 3, I'm talking about 2, your second finger, 3, third finger, and then you play them together. Okay? So that was page 10. That's kind of what that would sound like. So page 11, you start in the middle of the piano with your second and your third finger in the right hand. Okay, I'm going to adjust my camera just a little bit, see if you can see this. So we have 2, 3 together, 2, 3 together. Notice I'm going up the piano. So that's going up the piano. Remember from the previous video, when you hear the pitches going higher and higher, that means that we're going up the piano, okay? So that's page 10 and 11. Now, if we get on over to 12 and 13, it's talking about the groups of 3 black keys. Boom. Boom. Okay? So on this page, it says to use your left hand, LH, and once again, we're going to start at the middle of the piano or your keyboard, and then work our way down. So we're actually going to play 3 sets of the group of 3 black keys. Okay, so that could sound like this. So I'm using my second finger, third finger, fourth finger, and then all 3 together. Okay? Then you move on over to page 13. Okay? And you do the same thing going up the piano. Now I'm going to adjust my camera because it's a little bit easier to see me going up than it is going down, because then my hands disappear as I go down the piano. So we start right here in the middle of the piano. 2, 3, 4, together. 2, 3, 4, together. Notice my fingers are curved. They're not playing like this. They're playing curved. And then one more. Set. 2, 3, 4, together. Okay? And so this just helps us get a feel for the groups of 2 black keys and the groups of 3 black keys here on pages 10, 11, 12, and 13. Okay? So, I hope that helps a little bit. If not, well, you can tell me later, okay? But for now, I'm going to sign off. We'll talk to you later, okay? Next video.